Hello, my dear students of fourth class. I'm wishing to all of you a very happy and healthy day. Today is your day. You can win. Have a nice day. Students, here today we will do question answers of chapter number 8, Water is Life. Our first question is, what is water conservation? Saving water by avoiding its wastage is known as water conservation. Means if we should never waste the water. Okay, we should avoiding wastage of water. We should save water. Second question, write 3 ways by which you can make water safe for drinking. 3 ways by which we can make the water safe for drinking are given below. Number 1, boiling. Number 2, filtration. Number 3, chlorination. Students, chlorination means when we add chlorine chemical into the water to kill the germs present in the water, that is known as chlorination. Next question, what are the effects of water pollution on living beings? The 3 effects of water pollution on living beings are given below. Number 1, polluted water can cause many diseases like jaundice, diarrhea and cholera. Means if we drink polluted water or dirty water, diseases like jaundice, diarrhea and cholera caught us. Next point, water plants also become infected. Means polluted water also harmful for plants. Next, number 3, water animals become sick and die due to assimilation of polluted water into seas and rivers. Means if polluted water mixed into the seas and rivers, the water animals become sick and die due to that. And next question, why has the water table gone down? Its answer, people are digging wells deep into the ground to extract groundwater for their use. As a result, the underground water level is going down rapidly. Means water table going down. The main reason that's because of that water table gone down is digging well deep into the ground to extract underground water for use. Next question, write any 3 ways of water conservation. 3 ways of water conservation are given below. We should never waste the water. To conserve the water, we should never waste the water. Second, we should check the pipe leakage at home. Third point, we should turn off the water while brushing our teeth. Now next question, why do fish die in polluted water? Fish and other animals become sick and even died due to assimilation of polluted water into seas and rivers. That's why fish die in polluted water. Now students, in this picture there is a solution of exercise A, B and C. You can do this, that we already done in our online class. Thank you so much, students.
As joy, whatever you know as happiness. Did the joy rain upon you, or did it blossom within and find an external expression? Which way was it? It always came from within, isn't it so? Have you noticed at a certain moment when you're very happy, just walking is celebration? Do you see every step that you take, every breath that you take is celebration? So the question not about what you're drinking, what you're eating, what kind of atmosphere you're in. You're joyful. It's the inner atmosphere which decides the celebration, not the external.